everybody. So we were at the pier. Man, it's storming hard. You know, and the funny thing is that we caught some bull reds, but homeboy Carlos over there, he got a big one. And then it started raining, and then I got one. But then, of course, it starts to storm, so we don't want to get all too wet. So we came over here for some cover real quick, man. And I got the camera and stuff, so I don't want to get it all wet. But I bet we missed a ton of bull reds right now. But shit, man, we're out here grinding it out with the rough weather. It's all good, it's all good. You know, so let's get back at it. Got a big slot red here. Oh man, I got a little slot red here or what? What do we got going on here? A little slot red. We got him. Wow, dude, all that, dude, for that. It was on the way?
Just barely, dude. I just.
What is this here?
It's probably. You know what that is?
That's his net. That's his line, isn't it?
That's mine. Because I had to cut mine to break this line free. I got it back somehow.
This dude, is this a tournament size red, dude? A 27, like super fat.
Not too bad.
Got one. That's what I'm talking about right there. Ooh, red. Big one too. Yeah, boy. Get up here, boy. Ooh. Look at that run. This guy has a lot of energy, whatever it is. So I'm gonna let it run around. Big bull red. Look at that. Woo. There we go. Watching the rod from the outside. You know, we're elite as fuck and we like these conditions.
Well, that's it. This was a sick night. We landed our fair share of reds. And this is just pre-red run. Hopefully after these storms and a nice cold front comes in, we're gonna have a full red run. It's coming. Another thing, we have new merch at the store. We have 3x10 bumper stickers so you can let everybody know you're elite. Link in the description. One more thing, I will be hosting a YouTube contest. Whoever catches the biggest bull redfish wins. The prizes are the following: an Elite AF t-shirt, an Elite AF digital camo black hoodie, lures, stickers, and if I can find this, a pack of ultra rare gulp, perfect for the flounder run. What a better way to win free shit doing what you love. No paying required, but you must send me a screenshot with your catch, measured, or a video. Show me that you're subscribed with bell notifications. That's all I ask for to join. Rules will be posted in the community tab and on my Facebook page, Elite AF Fishing. And if you're not following the Elite AF Fishing page, you're missing out. We're posting pictures of everybody's catches. Thanks y'all, I appreciate y'all watching. So please stay tuned for the Rules community tab and Elite AF Fishing Facebook page.
Damn.